Hi guys, so I have found my little ladybug now. That's bluebell. I think the bluebells are the blue. I don't know what the flowers. I'm not really good with flowers, but yeah. First ladybug. Do you know ladybird, ladybug, whatever you want to call it, wherever you are. Oh. Just minding its own business, doing whatever. This is what humans should be like, you know, getting close to nature. You know, playing with insects, not playing with insects, but being closer to them, closer to animals as well, closer to plants, growing our fruit and veg. That's what I think it should be. Growing our own fruit and veg, but obviously that's been taken away from us, isn't it? Because we're not taught how to grow food and veg. No one really, the average person doesn't know what to do to grow their own food. Because everything's relied on the system, everyone buys everything from the shops. Alterations. Beautiful creatures, aren't there? These creatures are ignored. The scary thing is, you know, like 100 years time, are people going to even know that these things exist? I know that sounds a bit far-fetched, but where they're going with it. Just doing its own thing. Oh. Clinging onto the grass. Can you imagine? Do you think once upon a time we had a capability to climb trees and do all sorts of stuff? You know, like this little creature's doing here. Maybe the ability of that was to take away from us. It's in that movie Green Beautiful, actually. I don't know how true it is. I don't even know, you know, if that was the case, if we were able to climb trees and do all sorts of stuff, and maybe we had that ability to climb trees to get the fruit off the fruit trees, you know. Who knows? I'm just very theoretical, guys. I don't always state facts, you know. They're not facts. A lot of my stuff is just what could be a possibility. We've probably had so much capabilities. We're probably capable of so much that we don't realise, and they want to hide it from us. But this is just doing its own thing. Very pretty, that, isn't it? It's beautiful. I'll take a picture. Yeah, there we go. Take a couple. It's really cool. This is ace. See how close to stuff we can get like this, and you know, it's entertaining watching little beautiful creatures like this minding their own business, doing their own thing, probably enjoying himself or herself.